Your digital life is likely a chaotic mess of scattered cloud subscriptions and overstuffed phone storage that constantly nags you for more money every month. We finally have a contender that might just kill that monthly bill for good. This new 4-bay storage hub from a brand usually famous for cables and power bricks is trying to redefine what an entry-level home server can actually do. It is tiny. It sits on your desk looking like a minimalist piece of art, rather than a clunky piece of office equipment. You get 4 slots to slide in your drives. It supports a massive amount of data. We are talking over 100 terabytes if you really want to go wild. The setup is remarkably simple. You just pull off the magnetic top and slide your drives into these vertical slots. There are no tools needed. No tiny screws to lose in your carpet. Once you power it up, you start to see where the real magic happens. Inside this little box is a powerful 8-core processor that handles tasks with surprising speed. It has plenty of memory built in. That is much more than what most budget units offer. This means it can do a lot more than just hold your files. The most impressive part is the integrated artificial intelligence. This thing acts like a personal librarian for your photos. It scans through your library and automatically identifies spaces and locations. It builds albums for you without you lifting a finger. If you have 10 years of family photos sitting in a disorganized heap, this is a lifesaver. It even has a dedicated graphics unit. This is important because it allows for a feature you almost never see on affordable servers. There is a high-speed video output right on the back. You can plug this box directly into your television or a monitor. It plays back high-definition video perfectly. You do not even need a separate media player or a smart TV app. It just works. The connection speed is also a big step up. It uses a networking port that is significantly faster than the standard one found on older computers. This makes moving huge video files feel snappy instead of a chore. On top of that, it has high-speed ports for external expansion. If you run out of space, you just plug in more. Now, the software is where things get interesting. It uses a proprietary operating system designed to be friendly for people who are not IT experts. It is clean and easy to navigate. You can set up your data protection levels and manage your backups with just a few clicks. It also supports container software if you want to run custom apps. There are some trade-offs to keep the price down. You cannot upgrade the memory later on. It only has one networking port. This means you cannot combine 2 lines for extra redundancy. It also does not support full-blown virtual computers. But for a home user or a small creative office, those are minor gripes. It consumes very little power when it is just sitting there waiting for you. It stays cool. It stays quiet. This device is a serious play for anyone tired of paying for cloud storage. It gives you a private, powerful cloud right in your living room. It turns a boring task like data management into something that feels modern and effortless. You get the performance of a high-end machine without the massive price tag or the steep learning curve. It is a compact powerhouse that punches way above its weight class. It feels like the right balance for someone who wants control over their data without needing a degree in computer science. The sleek design and the silence of the fans make it perfect for a home theater setup. You can hide it away or leave it on display. Either way, it just does its job. It is refreshing to see a company take the intimidation factor out of home servers while still packing in enough hardware to satisfy power users who love to tinker with apps and streaming. This is exactly the kind of hardware that makes the transition from big tech clouds to personal storage feel like a massive upgrade rather than a compromise.